Simple guide to invest $250,000 in a gold IRA without penalty. In today's uncertain financial climate, securing your wealth is crucial. Investing in a gold individual retirement account, IRA, is a solid option for preserving wealth. Follow these 10 straightforward steps to invest $250,000 in a gold IRA without incurring penalties. 1. Understand gold IRAs. A gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows investment in physical gold, unlike traditional IRAs which focus on stocks and bonds. 2. Choose a custodian. Select an IRS-approved custodian that specializes in precious metals IRAs to manage your account and ensure compliance with regulations. 3. Select a dealer. Find a reputable gold dealer offering a range of precious metals. Check their authenticity and reviews. 4. Open an account. Work with your custodian to set up a self-directed IRA, offering greater investment flexibility. 5. Fund your IRA. Transfer assets from an existing IRA or rollover funds from a 401k. Ensure it's a direct rollover to avoid penalties. 6. Choose your metals. Select the gold and precious metals for your IRA, meeting the IRS fineness standards, minimum 0.995 for gold. 7. Purchase gold. Direct your custodian to buy the gold from your chosen dealer using IRA funds, ensuring it meets IRS requirements. 8. Arrange storage. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository. Coordinate with your custodian for secure storage. 9. Monitor investment. Regularly check your gold IRA's performance and stay informed about market trends. Adjust your strategy as needed. 10. Plan withdrawals. Plan withdrawals in compliance with IRS rules. Avoid penalties by not withdrawing before age 59.5 and plan for required minimum distributions, RMDs, starting at age 72. By following these steps, you can wisely invest $250,000 in a gold IRA, ensuring financial security in a volatile economy. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.